Greetings. Today we are going to look into one important open source website, steemtools.com, but we are going to explore or navigate through the Steamit family or Steamit community. Steemtool is an organic site or live site for listing new apps and tools. It is an open source created by Roland and maintained by Transistor. The work of steemtool is to allow developers then to have it as the base site for applications and tools. So in the sense, it means that if a Steamit user is looking for apps or tools, the best way to find such is in steemtools.com. But the important thing that is there is that Steamit or steemtool is not responsible for any negativity a user gets from such app in steemittools.com. So it means that the user is fully responsible for any app used from from steemtool. So it means that before you use any app, bear in mind you know the importance of that app, that you know the developer, you know the uses. You can go through and read through the files or documentation to know how to use such app. So, and the important thing is again care for your security, which is important. How can we navigate to steemtools.com? We have to open our Steamit. We type in steamit.com and open our Steamit. So as we open steamit.com, so we have to go to the main menu. Then we look for Steamit App Center. Okay, see the Steamit App Center. So from the Steamit App Center, we click on it. Then immediately you can see at your bar what we are having. We are having a steemtools.com. Okay, so immediately it will take you to a steemtools.com. So from the steemtool, we can see there are so many apps. All these are apps and tools. But the apps and tools are also listed in categories. So how can we handle them such? So the first thing we are going to see is about the search engine in steemtool, which is the search bar. So what happens in the search bar? If we look so well, we will see the search bar. So what is the work of the search bar? The search bar helps in order to get a known tool very quickly. Assume that we are looking for a tool like for a app like Busy, and we want to get Busy through here. Then we can come here and search for Busy. Instead of going through the categories, you can see the categories. So instead of going through the categories, then we can come here and search directly for Busy. So how can we do that? We click inside it and now type in Busy. So if we type in Busy, it will start searching for Busy internally. So then which is immediately you can see what jumps out here is Busy. So you can see that Busy is also an app under Steamit too. So immediately we can click on Busy. Then we can click on it. It will navigate to Busy. Then we then register and do what we want to do with the app. Okay, so that is one thing about the search area. So if we remove all the writings again, it will still go back. So then the next thing now, since we have seen how to use our search button, so we can search for any app or any tool that we know, even the one we didn't know, but we are looking for some such tool. We can also try to use search button to get them. So we now look into the category itself. Look at we are talking about the category itself. We have about eight eight different categories, which is the author category, the creation category, the data category, community, developers, front end, services, and wallet category. So how can we make use of this and what is their function? Lie under each category lie similar apps and similar tools for such category. So we expect that under curation category, if we click on curations, what we are going to see are apps and tools for curation or curators. So you can see we have Steam Plus, we have Curators Pro Feed, we have Whale Sonar, we have Steam Filter, Steam Float Vote, Steam Press, we have Steamit Random, we have steamification. So all these things are for curation. If we click on let's say wallet, if we click on wallets, look at what we have. We have eSteam, we have Steam Pleasure, we have Escrow, we have EDD Steam, we have Vessel, we have Steam Pepper Wallet, and so on. Let's pick another category. Maybe we pick on community. If we pick on community, what we are going to have is Steam Friend. You can see such category. We have Complaint Steam, Steam Speak, Steamit Board, Steam Steamy or not. We have Steam Center, Steam Help, and so on for the community. If we take, maybe let's take one more last. If we take on developers, on developer category, we have Steam API, we have Steam Feed, we have in Steam, we have Steam Data, we have Steam JS for developers. So we can see the function of what category. So if we are looking for a tool or an app, but we know that this app is like a front end app, like a front end app like Busy, Steam and so on. We can go to front end and look for such app. If we are looking for app for services, we can go to services and so on and so forth. So that is the work of the category itself. So you can see, so assume that we go to service, we go to the front end. Look at what we have. You can see under front end you have Busy also. If we click on Busy now, you see what will happen. It will just take us to, are you seeing, it will just take us to busy.com .org. So it's very simple. So the app will link you. Maybe if you have your Steamit details, you log in. If you don't have, then you can sign up. Okay, let's go back. Let's go back to where we are before. So we are talking about the categories. So let's look at another categories. Let's say maybe we are looking for curation. We go to curation category. So under the curation category, look at what we have. So let's look at Whale Sonar. I love it. Whale Sonar, you can see in Whale Sonar you can, even if you the background is off, if we on it we close, it's like about whales. Or let's see, you can see, so we can talk about the sound. You can see about whales, the percentage of upvotes then given to some, and so on. This is minor, this is minor support, this is inertia. We can remove the balloon. You won't see the names again. You can put the balloon back. You see the name. This is busy org. So which is they are giving upvotes and so on and so forth. So we can go back to where we are. We are talking about Steam Tools. So Steam Tools is a wonderful app, is a wonderful site where you can see so many things, so all you have to do is to come in, navigate through, explore, be the part of the community. If you are a developer and you are not aware of this site, it is time for you to start building and uploading and make use of Steam tools. You can also tell your followers to join in. As we say, it is created by as we say it is created by Roland and maintained by Transistor. So that is how we can make use of Steam tool. There's nothing hard in it. Once you click on any bar, it will take you to wherever you are talking of. So this is about Steam estimator. So, and be note that not all sites are functioning. Not all sites are functioning. That's why we say that it is not the work of the Steamit itself or the Steam tool itself to be responsible of anything that happens to you in Steam to using any app. So let's see, this is a type of type an account name and click the button. This will tell you the reward that account earns. Don't forget a symbol. Let's make use of example at uh, let's say, well, let's click on estimate reward. When you click on estimate reward, let's see what will happen. This is Steamit estimator. So you can see. So you can see. So what happens to to this app? So it is our work to now. You can see the app is no longer working fine. It is our work now to make a report to the owner of the site that something is wrong with the app. That's why we say Steam 2 cannot do that. That is why they say that they are not responsible. Steam it itself cannot do that. So the work is for what the users that is making use of it to make sure that everything is working fine. So there are so many beautiful tools here. So you can come and explore it and do your best. Thank you so much for today. I love you.